Thank you for joining for episode 1 of What's in the Brown Bag. Let's find out what is in the brown bag today. It is the Amstel 0% alcohol tostada. It's like toasted and had like a touch of like fire and stuff with it. Sounds a bit Game of Thrones-y. And what's actually inside it is just it has water.
It's got like some hops and barley by those things.
So anyway, let's get straight into it. Let's open it up. Nice satisfying crack there. And I can already see some some frothing bubbles. Let's have a look at this. Okay. It's got a reasonable amount of you see here it's actually quite dark. It's quite dark looking beer. Looks like almost like a red ale or a dark bitter. So it's got that. It's got like quite a bit of head in it. There's quite a lot of like bubbles, as you can see, coming up. I hope you can see that. And let's have a look. There doesn't appear to be any sediment in it as such. It appears to be quite clear, and slowly but surely, like the heads are disappearing. But anyway, it doesn't look bad. The foam is again like it keeps on decreasing. So like over time, after the first gulp, you're probably not going to get much on the lips. In terms of smell, yeah. So all I'm picking up is like malt. It smells a little bit sweet, and now I'm going to give it a taste. Ooh. Okay. As I say, it's kind of like you can actually taste like the hops and the malt in it. It's quite a good job. So like well done to Amstel for that. It's kind of got a, I don't know, like a bittery, or like kind of overproduced like aftertaste. So it's like the hops are there, but there's like nothing for it like to stick onto. It's kind of like it leaves like a very bitter aftertaste in the mouth. It's not like let's say disgusting, and it does actually taste as though you've actually like had a beer, but without, let's say, like with beer with alcohol in it, you get like kind of it's more dense. As I say, like this actually tastes quite good, and obviously you would know that it's non-alcoholic, but it's not that bad actually. No, I could do a few of those. I would say this is actually like quite good. Honestly, I thought like I've tasted some other ones which I'll be reviewing later, and I can say they don't taste this good. So this is like one of the better ones which I've actually tried before, and I think it's actually like quite good. In terms of like balance and bitterness, it is actually, as I say, it's kind of like it kind of tastes as though it's got like a higher IBU, but like a high like bitterness, and it kind of like sticks in the mouth. In terms of like, is any like sweetness or anything else? No, it's like you can definitely taste like it's probably the hops injection in there with the extract, which is the thing which you can taste. Overall, beer tastes like sticks in your mouth, so it kind of like feels as though like trying to give up alcohol, or you like the taste of it. This will probably will give you like the good sensation of actually like, let's say, having drunk something like alcoholic. It actually doesn't seem to have like a sensation that you can actually have beer breath. And I think you do. So you may actually get stopped with this and tested, which is good and bad. I mean, sometimes if you like the taste of it, of like beer when you go out with your friends, you're not going to go wrong with this one here at all. My expectations, I would say yes. I wasn't actually expecting it to taste this good. I've tried some other like Amstel stuff, and let's say their lagers don't actually taste like this good. So this, let's say, is kind of like making a ruby red beer. The hops they got in it is maybe a little bit aggressive, and it's probably about finding that fine line. I think it's like basically you guys, let me know in the comments below, obviously, if you've been smelling each other's breath, and like they're letting me know, saying, okay, yeah, it does actually smell like beery or not. Alcoholic wise, it's kind of like a bit like some Marston's type of like stuff, like Razorback and like Hobgoblin. I mean, obviously, it doesn't taste exactly the same as it, or not even the same type of like league as that. But you know, if you're kind of like after that type of like Marston's type of like flavour of their beers and their red ales, this is what I would say it would be very near. And I'm gonna give this a score. I'm gonna give this quite like a high score of like 8 out of 10. Heading off now. I'm gonna be enjoying this one because this is my first one after my day's work, and I'll catch you for the next episode. Take care, like and subscribe, and please comment below. Cheers, bye.
Tell me